everyone, welcome to FMX 2023. I'm Amber, and today I'll give you a highlight tour of ASUS ProArt booth, showcasing our solutions for on-set, post-production, graphic design, and game development. We are also featuring creative pros like Victor Perez and Rafi Nizam in our ProArt Master Talks, as well as live motion capture show with NOITOM. First, we have the ProArt Display OLED PA32DC. This is the world's first OLED monitor with a built-in motorized colorimeter for auto calibration, ensuring professional-grade color accuracy at all times. We also have a powerful mobile workstation, the ProArt Studiobook Pro 16 OLED. It features a 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, an NVIDIA RTX 3000 8th generation laptop GPU, and ASUS dial for precise control. ProArt Display PA169CDV is a Pantone validated and Kelman verified portable touchscreen monitor. The bundled ProArt pen uses Wacom EMR technology to make drawing on the monitor feel completely natural. ProArt Display PA279CRV is our latest 27-inch 4K HDR monitor designed for graphic designer and video editors. This Kelman verified display features 99% DCI-P3 and Adobe RGB coverage and Delta E less than 2 color accuracy. It is also an eco-friendly product that's certified to an EP Gold standard. Here at FMX, we are also featuring several custom-built PC powered by ASUS from our partners CSL Computer, Scan Computer, and AZERTY. And finally, there is a ProArt GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card. It comes in a compact 2.5 slot footprint that fits into any PC chassis. And the XL Tech fans and Auto Extreme Precision manufacturing deliver increased durability and reliability. Thank you for joining us. We hope you have enjoyed the video, and we see you next time.